Welcome back to all of you. In this video, you will learn about the next important topic, that is possibilism, and this question may come in a different manner, that is explain, describe or discuss the humanization of nature. Let's start the topic. First point you have to write down: human create new possibilities with the environment. In this topic, what you have to write down, that is, now people begin to understand their environment and various forces of nature. With the passage of time, human can create and develop better new possibilities with the environment. Second point in possibilism, that is, nature provided opportunities to the humans. In this topic, what you have to write down: nature has provided lots of opportunities and humans are also availing these opportunities for their betterment. Third topic in possibilism. In possibilism, actually, the human are now active agent and rather than the passive agent. In this topic, you have to write down: man can modify his environment, his nature according to his need or desire. Last, possibilism. The supporter, if they will ask you about the supporter of possibilism, at that time you have to write down that the supporter of possibilism is Lefebvre and Paul Vidal de la Blache. Now, by this, we come to know that now nature got humanized, and this is called exactly a possibilism. Now, if nature or environment create any problem to us, human can conquer all the problems with their mind, with their good skill mind, I can say. This is possibilism. Let's check the next important topic of this chapter, that is dualism. What is dualism? This question may come in a 1 mark. Maximum time this question come in a 1 mark. If this question come in a 3 mark, what you have to write down over there? Let's check this. Dualism is a Latin word, that is duo, which mean two. What is the definition of dualism? When two aspects are studied in a single subject, which means there can be two opinions of a same issue. Let us check, let us understand this with a simple way. As we all know that Lord Shiva is also known as Ardhanarishwar. This means that Shivji has been demonstrated as a half man and half woman. If examiner will ask you about the example of this, that time you have to write down that whether the geography as a discipline should be a lawmaking or it should be a descriptive. So students, by this we completed important questions of first chapter. Hope you like these videos. Please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.